What's up, guys? This is Mark from Destiny. If you're here to learn about eBay, Amazon, or Shopify dropshipping, subscribe to my motherfucking channel. So this is step one in Amazon dropshipping. So basically, 2019, one of my goals is to produce content, show you guys how to dropship on Amazon, show you guys from start to finish how to dropship on Amazon. I'm still going to show you motherfuckers how to dropship on eBay, but I'll show you Amazon also. So the first step is to get an Amazon account. Amazon Seller Central. So you go to fucking, where's this bitch? Amazon, open an Amazon seller account, my bad. Services at Amazon, no, right. No, services at Amazon selling, wrong link, my bad. I'll put the link in the description so you guys could be lazy and just click that bitch. And don't Google it. So start selling on Amazon. So you have an option to set up a regular account. You have an option to set up a regular account that is free. Don't do that. So don't be a cheap ass. So two things. If you set up a regular account, you're going to be paying 99 cents per listing, plus 99 cents per sale, plus the final value fee. The charge that Amazon charges is 15% plus 99 cents. This is $40 a month. So if you plan to sell, for two reasons. The dumb obvious reason would be if you plan to sell more than 40 items a month, it is worth it. But that shouldn't even be mentioned. The main reason is that without a pro account, the $40 a month account, you're not allowed to sell in certain categories. So you're restricted, okay? So you want to make sure and set up a pro account. You hit start selling. I have an account. So let me switch. Let me sign out and do as if I'm creating a new one, just so you guys to walk through. So you're only allowed to have one account. You're supposed to get proper permission from Amazon to have a second account. But I'm just doing this just so you guys could see what the fuck I'm doing. So, Mark Alexander. Dare to snipe me at, I think that was an Outlook email. So it's setting up the account. Right, so legal name. What is a legal name? That legal name is if you're setting up a corporation or you're setting up a personal, like a person, right? You don't need to have an LLC or Inc. or actual corporation, S Corp or C Corp to drop ship on Amazon. But in order to save money with taxes, to write off certain things, to get tax exempt in more states, it would help. But it is not necessary. So the legal business name could be your name. This is not the name that's going to show up on your store. Okay? I've read and accepted. Next. So you want to put in the billing address. What card am I going to use to pay for this shit? What card, Marcos? Okay, I'll use that one. So this is where you choose the name. You don't want to choose, like, I personally, remember, this process is not the private label dropshipping way. This is a retail arbitrage way. So you don't want to choose a name that's focused on like a niche. In retail arbitrage, in private label dropshipping, a lot of people do choose to set up a niche store. With retail arbitrage, you're selling everything, so you can name it, I don't know, Alexa's whatever. Alexa's. If you sell a product, I'm not putting the website because that's not necessary, first of all. 224. English. So I get a text message. Should I use that number? Yeah, I'll use it. So I'm getting a text. I'm doing this whole thing in front of you guys. So they sent me a verification text. Hopefully Nelson would edit out some of the stuff and speed up the video so you guys not waiting on me singing. Verify. Go to the next window. So you put in your card information to pay. So on this screen, you put in your card information to pay, and then you put in a bank account information. The purpose of putting in the bank account information is when you get paid, Amazon will download the Amazon will deposit into your account. My bad. So Genisoft. Let me get my banking information. Again, Nelson is gonna edit this shit out so you guys can't see my shit. But all of this is necessary when you plan to drop ship, right? Because you want to be able to get paid. I actually had a conversation with one of the guys in my inner circle about this like 5 minutes ago. Routing number, shortcut number. Next. Right, so the billing information is good. Then the next step is you have to put in your tax information. Social security number if you do it as a sole prop. What do you call it? Fucking EIN and all that stuff if you do it as a business. I'll choose sole prop. Use for US taxes. Are you a US person? Yes. Name. My social. Continue. And then you submit and sign. Ah, fucking A. I can't even write my own fucking name. Save and preview. So the W-9 information is set up. You hit submit. And that's it. Your Amazon account will be set up. I'm not going to hit submit now because that's not the purpose of me putting this information was just to show you guys step by step what to do. So guys, if you plan to be making money in 2019 dropshipping on motherfucking Amazon, please set up a pro account. Don't go for the free account. You're going to need it because one, the free account does not allow you to sell in a lot of categories. Yes, you're going to save 99 cents every time an item sold, but that's not the point. The main thing is you want to be sniping and selling items in all categories possible. If you don't pay for the $40, if you can't afford $40 for this fucking Amazon dropshipping, you can't dropship on Amazon because Amazon doesn't pay you immediately. Anyway, subscribe to my fucking channel, like my fucking video in the comment section. Let me know what else you want to cover. And yeah, that's step one, motherfuckers. So get an account set up. And then we'll go on to the next step. Peace.